How to track your orders on Temu app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Temu application on your device, and now go ahead and make sure that you were signed in to Temu, and if not, then sign yourself in. Further, tap on the U option on the bottom center of your screen, and in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the Your Orders option. You will then see various tabs in here. You can tap on individual tabs and see your orders. For instance, you can tap on the Processing tab in order to see the processing orders. You can tap on the Shipped tab in order to be able to view all the orders that has been shipped to you already. You can then tap on the Delivered option in order to view the orders that has already been delivered to you. So this was about how you can track orders on Temu app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.